Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how the Roman Empire fell. We'll explore the multifaceted reasons behind its decline, moving beyond simple explanations. Understanding this complex historical event requires examining various internal and external pressures. Let's dive into the key factors that led to the end of one of history's most powerful empires, focusing on the Western Roman Empire's collapse. Internal weaknesses significantly eroded the empire's foundations. Political instability was rampant, with emperors often overthrown or assassinated, creating a cycle of chaos. Economic issues, such as rampant inflation and burdensome taxes, impoverished many citizens and hindered trade. Furthermore, the vast empire's borders were difficult to defend, stretching military resources thin and making it vulnerable to external threats. Beyond internal strife, external pressures mounted relentlessly. Various barbarian tribes, including the Goths and Vandals, launched increasingly successful invasions into Roman lands. These migrating groups were often pushed by other forces, seeking new territories and resources. The Roman military, already strained, found it challenging to effectively defend its vast frontiers and manage the influx of these powerful, often hostile, populations. The Western Roman Empire's official end in 476 CE marked a pivotal moment in history. Its collapse did not mean the end of Roman culture entirely, but it profoundly reshaped the political and social landscape of Europe, leading to the medieval period. The Eastern Roman Empire, or Byzantine Empire, continued for another 1,000 years. Be sure to check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.